Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see measure of variation or the measure of dispersion or the measure of spread. We already see measure of center tendency. The measure of center tendency tells the center of the data set, and the measure of variation tells the how much it's spread. The simplest measure of spread for a data set is the range. The range is equal to the difference between the largest and the smallest measurement in the set. For example, 2, 4, 5, 8 and 9. Here the largest value is 9 and the smallest value is 2. So range equal to 9 minus 2 equal to 7. The range of the data set is very easy to find, but it is insensitive measure of variation and it is not very informative. So we are moving to the next measure of variation, that is the variance. The variance of the dataset is based on how much the value deviate from their mean. These are the two formulas. So let us see. So these are the points, dataset points, and this is the center of the dataset, that is the measure of center tendency, this one, and the distance between the data set point and the center of the value. So these things it finds the distance from the given point and the center of the distribution. This will tells the spread of the distribution. So it is denoted by the formula summation x minus x bar the whole square divided by n, and there is an alternative formula. It is a summation x square minus summation x the whole square divided by n. The larger the value of the variance is the more spread out, and the smaller the value, that means it is very close to the center of the distribution. The next data measure is standard deviation. The standard deviation is obtained by taking the square root of the variance. The standard deviation is very useful because the units, if the data set is measured in hours or dollar, the standard deviation measure is also in terms of dollar and hours. Whereas in variance, it is in R square and dollar square. So standard deviation is the best measure of data variation. So now let's see some of the example for variance. Here they are given 4 datas. So n equal to 4. First we need to find the mean. The mean is denoted by x bar and summation x by n. So summation x means we have to add all these values. So 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 14, and divided by 4, which is equal to 3.5. So first we need to find this x bar, that is mean 3.5. Then we have to find the difference. So x minus 3.5, and then we have to square it, and we have to add all this value, which is equal to 5. So the variance formula is summation x minus x bar the whole square divided by n, which is equal to 5 by 4, which is equal to 1.25. The variance equal to 1.25. We can find this in alternate method also. In this, we just need x and x square and their sum, and we have to plug this value in the formula. So x square sum is 54 and x sum is 14. The 14 the whole square is 196 and divided by 4 is 49. Then we have to subtract it. 54 minus 49 is 5 and 5 divided by 4 equal to 1.25. And the standard deviation is find the square root of variance. So we already found variance which is equal to 1.25. The standard deviation equal to 1.118. So these are the methods to find the measure of variation. There are other measure of variation also there, but this is very important. Let's see other thing in the other videos. Thanks for watching.